Hi, third graders. We're going to be reading this story called Rocketing into Space. It's a biography, so someone wrote a story about another person. And let's go ahead and listen to why someone wrote a story on this person.
When James A. Lovell Jr. was a boy, he loved to build and launch rockets. As he watched his rockets soar high in the sky, he knew someday he would soar too. High-flying dreams. Lovell was born in 1928. He worked hard in school and wanted to study space and rockets. Lovell wanted to go to a special college, but he didn't have enough money. He had to find another way to reach his goal. Lovell was motivated to find a way to fly rockets. He went to college near his home. Next, he studied at a naval academy. Then, Lovell joined the Navy and became a professional test pilot. As a test pilot, Lovell flew planes before anyone else was allowed or able to fly them. James A. Lovell Jr. became an astronaut and flew 4 space missions.
Wow, 4 of them. That's quite a bit. Sorry. Okay.
Pilot to astronaut. Lovell flew jets and taught other pilots how to fly jets too. He also worked as a specialist in flight safety. Soon, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA, was looking for astronauts. Lovell had all the essential skills needed to fly into space, so he applied for the job. As a result, NASA chose him. James Lovell was an astronaut. He had reached his goal. Big challenges. Lovell flew into space 3 times. Then, in April 1970, he became commander of Apollo 13. This was a big responsibility and a great honor. Apollo 13 was supposed to land on the moon. But 2 days after leaving Earth, the spacecraft had a serious problem. One of its oxygen tanks exploded. There was not enough power or air to breathe. The crew could not go to the moon. Lovell communicated with professionals at NASA. The team did some research and found a solution. The astronauts followed the team's directions. They built an invention using plastic bags, cardboard, and tape. The invention worked. It cleaned the air in the spacecraft. But the next problem was even bigger. How would they get back to Earth? NASA's team works to solve Apollo 13's problem.
Right. And for the last one over here.
A job well done. The team on Earth thought the astronauts could use the moon module. So the astronauts climbed into the module and shut the hatch. They had very little power, food, and heat. The trip back was scary. The astronauts traveled 4 days in the cramped capsule. They were cold, thirsty, and hungry. Then millions of people watched on television as the module fell to Earth. Lovell said that Apollo 13 taught him how important it is for people to work together. His favorite memory was when the Apollo 13 module splashed down in the ocean. Lovell says he remembers how the diver knocked on the window to let them know they were safe. A dream come true. Do you dream of going into space? Check out Space Camp. Space camps have been around for more than 30 years. They make science and math exciting. Like the training programs at NASA, these camps teach the importance of teamwork and leadership. The Apollo 13 crew landed safely on April 17, 1970.
All right, you guys, that is the rest of our story this week. Go ahead and answer the questions below, and I look forward to seeing you on a few of our Zoom calls. So Have a great day.